Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX. And this boat comes fully equipped with absolutely everything you need to get out and enjoy the day on the water, including a tandem axle, galvanized trailer with a swing tongue for getting into those shorter spaces for you. And also, whenever you buy a boat from MarineMax, you're going to get a full captain's orientation, your life vest that you need, your flare gun, an anchor, a line, dock lines, fenders, absolutely everything you need. So when you leave here, you don't need to go to another store and spend another couple $1,000s on equipment. So let's hop up on side and show you what the rest of this boat looks like. So starting on the stern here, this one comes equipped with the upgraded inline 6 200 horsepower Mercury Outboard. That's going to really get this boat up and going over 50 miles an hour. As you see, we've also got a ski pylon here that can be used for any of your water sports, whether it's wakeboarding, towing a tube, etc. Plenty of room to walk around, even a boarding ladder that telescopes to get on and off the boat at the beach. Lots of storage underneath as we walk around. Everywhere that there's an airspace, there's a door to access it. You've got big wraparound seating on the rear. And my favorite feature is our huge sun lounger on the back, that when you lift it up, you've got enough room for all your water toys, your coolers, everything you usually bring with for the day. You can stick it all right here in the back and it's going to stay dry. Also, when you close this down, you've got an option here. We can lift this up and it's going to turn into a nice little backrest for your sun lounger. Moving forward, on our port side here, we've got a dual captain's configuration. So you've got a nice big captain's chair on the port side, as well as your primary captain's chair. Equipped with a Fusion waterproof radio system throughout, and a depth finder. Got nice and convenient configuration. Even have charging ports right here next to the cup holder at the helm. Big storage area on the port side, and a little glove box to access those things you use constantly, like your cell phone. And finally, on the front here, you can see we've got dual big sun loungers, and what they did was they squared off the nose of this instead of making it a tight V, so you pick up one additional seat. Also, you can remove that cushion quickly, and you've got nice little steps to board on and off the bow if you're at the beach or on the dock. If you guys have any questions at all on this awesome boat, give me a call, shoot me a text, email me, whatever you prefer. I'm happy to answer any questions you want, or come on down with the family. This boat's got room for 12. We can drop it in the water right here at the marina and take it for a spin. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.